How to fix Expedia refund not processing after cancellation. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is check your timeline. What you're going to do is confirm if the standard 7 to 12 business day or 7 to 12 business day processing period has actually passed or not, right? Now then, from there you can actually check your itinerary status. So for that you can actually log into your Expedia just like this, and then from there you can actually use the application if you want to. I'm going to use the web version of it. Then from there, what you're going to do is simply go to my trips from your profile. When you log into your account, you'll be able to go to my trips. Then from there you can verify status shows, and then from there make sure that it has been cancelled. If it has not been cancelled, if the status does not show cancelled, then you would know that of course your refund won't be refunded because it was never cancelled, right? So after doing that, now another thing that you can do is simply use your visual agent. What you can do is simply visit the expedia.com/service, and in there you can actually launch a chat agent, and then you can simply type refund status. Then from there you'll be able to know. Then you can escalate to bank. If Expedia confirms a refund issued but bank lacks pending transaction, then you can provide your ARN, which is the acquirer reference number, to your bank, and then from there I'm pretty sure that it will help you fix that Expedia refund not being processed.